Wow! Look at this! First, yellow zucchini. So if you look in here, there's so many beans in just one plant. My husband and I love beans. We saute it with a little bit of butter, salt and pepper. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. You have to try it. These snappies, you can either eat it raw or stir fry it. Kale is jam-packed of vitamins. It produces a lot and we harvest it every week. We're gonna have salad today. Look at this lettuce, very healthy. As you see, there's so many dills in this area. All of these dill plants are all volunteer. I'm going to harvest all of this parsley and in 2 weeks it will grow back again. I love parsley. We use it a lot for cooking. This is today's harvest. I have green and yellow zucchini, green beans, and sugar snap peas. I also have lettuce and kale, and some herbs. I have parsley, green onions, and dill. On my next video, I will show you how I'm gonna dry my herbs. My name is Rica. Thank you so much for watching.